budget songs.
That's good, dude.
Pretty good.
Yeah, nice job, man.
Thank you. I appreciate
These
it.
are like, what, 900 RMS, right?
Yep, 900
Nice.
RMS.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can actually hear the lyrics while you play the bass?
Yes, sir.
Maybe the phone don't pick it up, but you still can hear it.
I know you want to see it all. I'm going to tell you right now, my wires are messy, dog.
Oh,
I'm just
okay.
letting you know.
Okay.
Actually, you're better if you leave the door open.
It's quieter to talk with.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
you're good. All right, so what's your name? What's in here, man?
I'm Nick from Ocala, Florida. I got 4 audio pipe BD3s on 2 Smart 3s.
Okay.
The amps are back behind. I'm tuned to 33 hertz.
Okay.
So I did all wood roof.
Where's the port?
Right here behind me.
Okay, we'll look at it. Open the seat up.
Absolutely.
Nice. You built all this?
Yes, sir.
Nice. And you blocked off the back window area.
Yes, sir.
That helped a lot, I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Are these side doors able to open?
They do.
Okay, so you got to work with that.
Yes.
So this box was sliding in?
Yes.
Sliding? Okay.
And then I built it to the exact size of the cab, and my son and I wedged it right in there, so it's a tight fit.
Nice fit. Okay. Nice. And you're electrical?
I'm running a 250 Brand X alternator. I've got right around 290 amp hours of AGM.
Okay.
And then baked all of it right normal.
Yep. All right, nice. Is there a way I could kind of see behind the seats real quick before the demo?
Go ahead.
Nice. Oh, I see what you meant by a really tight squeeze in there. Yeah. And your AGM's here and over there. Okay.
Yep.
Nice. And all your amps, what are they wired to?
1 ohm.
Okay. Nice. There's your port. I'll have to go look over there now. Yeah. Team Hertz Cairns?
Yes, sir.
All right. Nice. So you've done some port adjustment.
I have. So I was actually running a long vertical port, but it seemed like it was chuffing a lot, hitting the back of my seat. So I tried to go a little bit lower, and I went bigger.
Yeah.
So
So instead of a slender, longer, you had a wider, more square port area, but it's about the same port area.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
I was just I figured square was more efficient.
Okay.
So.
Yeah. Have you ever mounted these regular?
I haven't.
Haven't? Okay.
Nope.
The box is probably, do you know the cubic space on it roughly?
It's before the bracing, it's 10.8 cubes.
Okay.
And then I got a bunch of 2x4s in there. So.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hey Brianna, will you close that door? Oh, hang on one second.
Oh, sorry.
And you can actually, for going to demo, you can leave that open if you want. It's a little louder. Yeah, for the demo. It's just louder with the demo.
Nice. And then this window down probably would be louder, I'm guessing?
Actually, that door opened.
Open,
So
okay.
For some reason,
All right.
It's kind of weird.
Yep. Nice. And lastly, SPL score.
I actually just metered in here on the dash. I did a 148.9 at 41 hertz.
Oh, wow, almost a 49, okay.
Almost a 49.
All right. On the glass, too.
On the glass.
All right. Ooh, these are like, what, 900 RMS, right?
Yep, 900
Nice,
RMS.
okay.
Yep.
Very nice.
That's
I like
why
it.
love you, dog.
It gets
You
pretty
know-
low, dude.
You know everything, dude.
I do?
All the stuff.
Oh.
All the specs and
I
shit.
just learned so much, and I like to know, so.
Hell
Yeah.
yeah, bro. That's why I love, like I said,
Yeah.
you taught me so much. So.
Yes, sir. I'm glad to help. Nice. And you can actually hear the lyrics while you play the bass.
Yes, sir.
Maybe the phone don't pick it up, but you still can hear it. So whenever you play music, you're actually not worried about distorting so much because you hear a balance of everything. So you did a good job. Nice to meet you.
Awesome.
Thanks for
Thank
watching.
you. Yeah,
Your
man.
name again?
Thank you. Nick.
Nick. All right,
Yes, sir.
everybody give a like to Nick. Good
Thanks,
job,
man.
man. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you.
And good job.
Awesome.
I'm sure you'll eventually get that 50, I bet, too.
Ooh, I'm hoping.
Yeah.
A little bit of tweaking, a little bit of tuning.
Yeah.
Maybe.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Nick system. He was at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase 2023 show. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Really good job building and pretty much structuring this whole system in the truck. This is the specifications of that 12-inch sub rated at 900 watts RMS. And if you notice the way he has his actual port is really critical for the output, and he's done some tweaking on it, and he's still a work in progress, but you can tell his port area is on the low end, so it plays really low, probably into the mid to high 20 hertz range during this song you're going to see. And the way he has the subwoofers inverted give him optimal amount of space in the enclosure, so sometimes inverting your subs is actually a win if your box is a little bit on the small end. So a total of 6,000 watts between these four 12-inch subs. We're getting a demo too now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and check me out on all socials. Enjoy.
That's good, dude.
Pretty good.
Yeah, nice job, man.
Thank you. I
Ooh,
appreciate
these are like, what, 900 RMS, right?
Yep, 900
Nice.
RMS.
Okay.
Yep.
Very nice.
That's
I like
why
it.
love you, dog.
It gets
You
pretty
know
low, dude.
You know everything, dude.
I do.
All the stuff.
Oh.
All the spikes and
I
shit.
just learned so much, and I like to know. So
Hell
yeah.
yeah, bro. That's why I love, like I said,
Yeah.
you taught me so much. So.
Yes, sir. I'm glad to help. Nice.